Welcome to your ultimate Asian stir-fry experience. Today we're cooking 10 quick and healthy beef recipes that are bursting with flavor and help keep you fit. I'm David, and I can't wait to show you how easy and delicious healthy eating can be. Stir-fries are my go-to for fast, nutrient-packed meals that never get boring. We're talking lean protein, fresh veggies, and bold sauces. Sweet, savory, spicy, tangy. With a few smart swaps and techniques, you'll get all the flavor without the extra calories. Grab your wok or skillet and get ready to transform your weeknight dinners. Let's get cooking. Let's start with a lighter take on the classic beef and broccoli. A dish that's beloved for its savory, comforting flavors, but often comes with extra calories from oil and heavy sauces. Today we're making a version that's just as delicious, but much better for you. Skip the takeout. Ours is high protein, low calorie, and just as satisfying. You'll get all the flavor and texture you crave, but with a fraction of the fat and sodium. Plus, it's quick enough for a busy weeknight. Use lean flank or sirloin, sliced thin against the grain, and marinate briefly in low-sodium soy, cornstarch, garlic, and ginger. This not only infuses the beef with flavor, but also helps keep it tender and juicy, even with less oil. Instead of oil, sear the beef in a hot wok with a splash of water. This water velveting technique keeps it tender and light. It's a simple trick that makes a big difference, letting the natural flavors shine through. Blanch broccoli florets for a minute so they're crisp and vibrant. This step locks in their color and crunch, making every bite fresh and satisfying. For the sauce, combine broth, low-sodium soy, a dash of sesame oil, garlic, ginger, and a cornstarch slurry. This creates a glossy, flavorful sauce that clings to every piece without weighing it down. Sauté aromatics, add broccoli, then beef, and pour in the sauce. The kitchen will fill with that irresistible aroma you know and love. Toss everything until coated and the sauce thickens. The beef stays juicy, the broccoli crisp, and the sauce brings it all together. Serve hot, classic flavors, none of the guilt. Pair it with brown rice or cauliflower rice for an even lighter meal. This is healthy comfort food at its best. It's hearty, nourishing, and perfect for sharing with family or friends. Quick, easy, and perfect for any night. You'll be amazed at how simple it is to make a restaurant favorite at home. You'll never miss the takeout version. Enjoy every bite, knowing you made something wholesome and delicious. Now, let's go Japanese and bring a taste of Tokyo right into your kitchen. We're making a quick beef and onion stir-fry, inspired by the classic gyudon, Japan's beloved beef bowl that's both comforting and satisfying. For the best results, use paper-thin beef slices, shabu-shabu style if you can find them. These delicate slices cook in seconds and soak up all the flavors beautifully. The sauce is a delicate blend of dashi or broth, low-sodium soy sauce, a touch of mirin for sweetness, and just a hint of honey to round out the flavors. This combination gives the dish its signature balance of sweet and savory. Start by cooking onions until they're soft, translucent, and sweet. This step is key to bringing out their natural sugars and creating a rich, flavorful base for the stir-fry. Next, add the beef slices and cook just until they're no longer pink. Be careful not to overcook, as the thin beef cooks very quickly. Then, pour in the prepared sauce. Toss everything together, making sure the beef and onions are well coated. Let the sauce bubble and reduce slightly, so it clings to every bite. Serve your stir-fry over a small scoop of steamed white rice for a balanced, satisfying meal that's perfect for lunch or dinner. The result is a dish that's sweet, savory, and comes together in just minutes. It's simple, elegant, and healthy, ideal for busy weeknights or whenever you crave Japanese comfort food. This is comfort food, the Japanese way, warm, nourishing, and full of flavor. You'll love how quick and easy this is to make. Give it a try and enjoy a taste of Japan at home. Get ready for a fiery classic, Thai basil beef, also known as pad krapao. This dish is a staple in Thai cuisine, loved for its bold flavors and irresistible aroma. It's the kind of meal that instantly wakes up your senses and brings the vibrant energy of Bangkok's street food right to your kitchen. Start with lean ground beef for a lighter, healthier base, and don't hold back on the bird's eye chilies. These tiny peppers pack a serious punch, giving pad krapao its signature heat and a burst of color. The sauce is a bold, umami-rich blend of fish sauce, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and just a touch of sugar to balance the heat. Each ingredient adds depth, creating a savory, slightly sweet glaze that clings to every bite. Begin by stir-frying plenty of garlic and chilies in a hot wok until fragrant. Then, add the beef and cook it until it's beautifully browned and a little crispy around the edges, locking in all those flavors. Once the beef is cooked, turn off the heat and toss in a generous handful of fresh holy basil. The leaves will wilt quickly, releasing their unique peppery aroma and infusing the dish with freshness. The aroma is absolutely mouth-watering, spicy, savory, and bursting with herbal notes. It's the kind of scent that fills your kitchen and makes everyone hungry. For the ultimate experience, serve your pad krapao over a bed of fluffy jasmine rice, and top it with a crispy fried egg. The runny yolk adds richness and ties all the flavors together. This dish isn't just delicious, it's a metabolism booster and a true flavor bomb. It's quick to make, bold in taste, and incredibly satisfying, perfect for busy weeknights or when you crave something exciting. Don't be shy with the chilies. Add extra on top if you love the heat, or keep it mild for a gentler kick. Thai street food at home, made healthier and just as tasty. Once you try this, you'll crave it again and again. Enjoy every spicy, savory bite. Let's make a lighter, stir-fried version of Korean bulgogi. Marinate thinly sliced sirloin or ribeye in low-sodium soy, grated Asian pear, garlic, ginger, and a touch of sesame oil. The pear adds natural sweetness and tenderizes the beef. Sear the beef in a hot wok, no extra oil needed. Cook in batches for a perfect char. Toss in scallions and carrots at the end for freshness and crunch. The result? Smoky, sweet, and savory beef that's not swimming in sauce. It's clean, vibrant, and packed with flavor. Serve with a side of veggies or over a small scoop of rice. Classic Korean taste, made healthy, fast, easy, and so satisfying. You'll want this on repeat. Fire up your wok. Ready for bold, tingly heat? Try Szechuan pepper beef and green beans. Toast and grind Szechuan peppercorns for that signature numbing spice. Use dried chilies and a bit of doenjang for deep, spicy flavor. Stir-fry green beans until blistered, then set aside. Sear marinated beef, then build a sauce with aromatics, doenjang, and broth. Return beef and beans to the wok. Toss to coat in the spicy, numbing sauce. Use broth instead of oil to keep it light. Every bite is a flavor roller coaster. Spicy, savory, and healthy. Perfect for spice lovers. This dish wakes up your taste buds. Try it tonight. Let's shake things up with Vietnamese bo luc lac, shaking beef. Use lean sirloin, cut into cubes, and marinate in soy, oyster sauce, black pepper, and garlic. Sear beef cubes in a hot wok, shaking the pan to caramelize all sides. Serve over fresh watercress, tomatoes, and onions for a salad-like base. The hot beef wilts the greens and creates a natural dressing. Finish with a squeeze of lime and a sprinkle of salt and pepper. It's tangy, savory, and packed with protein. Quick, elegant, and full of contrast. Perfect for a light, balanced meal. French-Vietnamese fusion at its best. Easy enough for weeknights, fresh, bold, and delicious. Give it a shake. Next, an Indonesian-inspired beef and bok choy stir-fry. The star is kecap manis, a sweet, syrupy soy sauce. Balance it with regular soy, rice vinegar, garlic, and ginger. Stir-fry lean beef, then set aside. Cook bok choy stems and mushrooms until crisp tender. Add leafy greens, return beef, and pour in the sauce. Toss until everything is glossy and coated. Add extra veggies for more fiber and color. This dish is veggie-forward, filling, and full of flavor. Fast, wholesome, and energizing. A taste of Indonesia in your kitchen. Enjoy the freshness. For something earthy and nourishing, try beef, mushroom, and spinach stir-fry. Sear mushrooms until golden, then set aside. Sear thinly sliced beef, add garlic, and return mushrooms to the wok. Toss with a light sauce of soy, oyster sauce, and garlic. Add a mountain of fresh spinach at the end. Let it wilt in the residual heat. Sprinkle with toasted sesame seeds for a nutty finish. This dish is light, iron-rich, and deeply satisfying. Minimal sauce lets the ingredients shine. Quick, clean, and packed with nutrients. Perfect for a healthy weeknight dinner. Simple ingredients, big flavor. You'll feel great after eating this. Try it for a nourishing boost. Craving fried rice but want fewer carbs? Try beef and cauliflower rice. Stir-fry. Brown ground beef set aside, then stir-fry classic veggies like carrots and peas. Cook cauliflower rice in a hot wok until toasted and dry. Push to the side, scramble in egg whites for extra protein. Combine everything, season with soy, sesame oil, and white pepper. The result? A huge, filling bowl with a fraction of the carbs, packed with protein and veggies, satisfying, low-carb, and delicious. Perfect for meal prep or quick dinners. You won't miss the rice. Healthy comfort food, reimagined. Give it a go. For our last recipe, a light beef and onion rice bowl. Use a small scoop of brown rice as your base. Stir-fry lean beef and onions in soy, mirin, garlic, and ginger. Add lots of steamed or blanched veggies, broccoli, spinach, or pickled cucumbers. Fill half your bowl with vegetables for volume and nutrients. Top with green onions, sesame seeds, or kimchi. The result? A balanced, filling, and visually appealing meal. Portion-controlled and satisfying. All in one dinner, made healthy. Easy to customize with your favorite veggies. Mindful eating at its best. Enjoy every bite. Healthy eating doesn't have to be boring. These 10 Asian stir-fries prove it. Subscribe for more quick, healthy recipes every week. Remember, use lean beef, pack in veggies, and build flavor with smart sauces. Cooking for your health can be fast, creative, and delicious. Make small, intentional choices for big results. Get in the kitchen and love what you eat.